Good morning, everyone. I noticed that the second ab urbe passage didn't have any sound on it, so I'm going to try and re-record it. Hopefully it'll work now. The founding of Alba Longa. Lavinia Inde then ruled, quod, while Ascanius, filius Aeneae, the son of Aeneas, adolevit, grew up. Where we get the word adolescence from. Tum, then he, change of subject, so now we're going over to Ascanius. Where are we? On account of the growing, I suppose we would say, present participle, on account of the growing size, let's say, of Lavinium, this is the town of Lavinium rather than Lavinia, his mother, growing bigger, on account of the growing size of Lavinia, left the city to his mother. So present participle agreeing with the multitude in it. Where are we? Ipse, he himself, condidit, from condo, I founded a new city, another city, a new different city, under the Alban mountain, which was appellata, which was called Alba Longa. So there we go. Alba Longa, the first name of that, just reminded me that the original name of England was Albion because of the white cliffs of Dover. Alba meaning white. Multi reges, many kings, giacerunt. What do we want to say? Carried on the Alban the empire of Alban, the Alban Empire. Let's say that's better. After Ascanius, quidam, a certain one of these, whose name was Proca, habuit, had two sons, Numitor and Amulius. To Numitor, dative case there, who was the elder, comparative adjective, he left the kingdom to Numitor, who was the elder. Tamen fratre, however, having beaten down his brother, Amulius ruled. You might start seeing a kind of cycle of, I suppose, the civil wars that the Romans had there. You'll start seeing this kind of thing happens more and more in the Roman mythology. Great to be doing these stories, because you never know whether or not this might be one of the stories that you could have in a VCE unseen. Filium fratris necavit. He killed the son of his brother. Legit, here we're going to say chose. He chose his daughter, or he made, let's say he made here. He made his daughter Rea Silva per speciam, through the guise of honor, as in trying to make it look like he was being honorable, through the appearance of honor, a sacerdotem, a vestal virgin. But, of course, the reason he was doing this was because he didn't want her to have children who would then go after him. And we're going to see what happens with that. Okay, well done, everyone.